How to install Python libraries in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser and then search for Python. Now click on the first link, and from here you want to download the version you need, or the latest available version, by clicking on downloads here, and then click on download Python 3.14 or the install manager, and this should start downloading the install manager. Or you can click below here to get the installer directly for the 3.14, which is this one here, and then you will need to download it and run the installer to install it on your system. And once you finish the installation, to check if Python is properly installed, you want to open up the CMD and then type Python version like this, Python space hyphen hyphen version, and press enter, and it should display the current version you have installed. And to install libraries, all you need to do is clear this line and type pip space install and space, and then followed by the package name you want to install or the library name. So for example, if you want to install the Discord library for Python, you will type discord.py like this and press enter and wait for it to get and install the library. And once it's done, it should tell you at the bottom. You can also run these commands inside the Visual Studio Code. If you go to terminal, new terminal, and you want to run pip install and whatever library you're trying to install, and press enter, and it should basically start installing the library. And you can also install the extensions. If you go to the extensions tab here and search for Python, you can install Python specific extensions for your Visual Studio Code, such as Python and the Python debugger and the environment. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.